Hello everyone. In this session, we are demonstrate about the program related to friend function and friend class. So this is the program relating to friend function. First, we need to include the header file, include IO stream for the using C in Cout. Then using namespace std. Then class distance. We are declaring one class with the name distance. Then there is private member integer meter. So with the help of friend function, this meter member is accessed within that friend function. So we are declaring one function add value with the help of keyword friend. So this function is friend function of the class distance, so it can access that variable or that member meter. Then distance meter 0. So here we are initializing that value meter to the 0. Then we are having the function definition. We are adding that value up to the 5 and then return that value d dot meter. This here where accessed meter value, that will be the private member of that class. It will be accessed in add value because it is the friend function of this class. In an integer main, we need to call this method. So integer main, here we are creating the object. How to create object? Class name, object name. Then we are calling the function add value d. So add value d returns the value. Whatever the value changed of the meter, it will be changed to the 5. So it will be return the value 5. Let's check. It will be return the value 5. Okay. So return d dot meter. It will be return the value 5. So distance 5. Next program, it is related to friend class. So program started here. Again same, include IO stream using namespace. Then there is one class, class B, and another class, class A. So class B is a friend of class A. It means that class B can access the member of class A. Class A having member num A. So it will be access that member, but class A, it is not the friend of class B. So class A can't access the member of class B. Okay. So class B access only member of class A. So class A num A 12. So class B. So class B access the member. It having one member number B, class B number B 1. So it will be having value 1. Integer add. In an integer add, we are adding the object A dot number A plus number B. So here class B, object B, it is a object of class B, and then object B dot add. In a object B dot add, we are added both numbers, that is number A and number B. Why we are using here object of B class? Because it having access to both A class member and B class member, because class B is a friend of the class A. So what is the output? Output should be the addition of both, that is number A plus number B. So it having the value 13. Okay. So let's check. 12. Number A having value 12 and number B having the value 1. So this 12 is added and 13 will be the output. Thank you all of you.